Have you ever walked into a room full of strangers? Maybe you felt nervous, your heart pounding, palms sweating, and your mind racing with thoughts of what to say. Maybe you wished you could just disappear. We've all been there, feeling like the odd one out, hoping the ground would swallow us whole. It's totally normal to feel awkward or shy in social situations. You might find yourself clinging to the edges of the room, avoiding eye contact, and praying no one approaches you. But what if I told you that talking to anyone, even a total stranger, could be as easy as pie? Imagine walking into a room and feeling completely at ease, ready to strike up a conversation with anyone. What if I told you there are simple tricks that can make you a conversational superstar? Techniques that can transform you from a wallflower into the life of the party? Well, guess what? There are. And these tricks are not rocket science. They're easy to learn and even easier to apply. And I'm here to share some secrets with you. Secrets that can change the way you interact with people forever. These tips come from a book called How to Talk to Anyone by Leil Lowndes. This book is a treasure trove of practical advice and proven techniques. It's chock full of amazing advice on how to improve your social skills and make you feel like a chatty Cathy in no time. You'll learn how to break the ice, keep conversations flowing, and leave a lasting impression. Get ready to say goodbye to those awkward silences and hello to engaging, fun, and meaningful conversations. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to becoming a master conversationalist. First impressions matter. They can set the tone for any relationship, whether personal or professional. You know that saying, you never get a second chance to make a first impression? It's a timeless piece of advice. It's so true. But how do you make a good one? What are the secrets to leaving a lasting, positive impression? Leil Lowndes, a renowned communication expert, has a brilliant technique called the flooding smile. Imagine this. You're at a party, and you see someone you'd like to meet. The room is buzzing with energy. Instead of rushing over with a nervous grin, pause. Take a moment to gather yourself. Look at them for a second and let a big, genuine smile wash over your face. Think of something happy, something that makes you feel warm inside. Then, and only then, approach them. Walk over with confidence and ease. This little pause makes a huge difference. It gives you a moment to compose yourself and ensures your smile is heartfelt. It shows that your smile is genuine and that you're truly happy to see them. This authenticity is key. It's like you're saying, "Hey, you seem cool, I'd love to chat." This simple gesture can break the ice effortlessly. You'll be amazed at how approachable and friendly it makes you seem. People are naturally drawn to genuine warmth. Remember, a smile is the universal language of kindness. It transcends barriers and connects us all. So next time you're in a new situation, remember to pause, smile genuinely, and approach with confidence. You'll leave a lasting impression. Okay, so you've flashed your best flooding smile and now you're chatting with someone new. How do you keep the conversation going and show them you're genuinely interested? This is where the big baby pivot comes in. Think about how you'd react if a little baby came up to you. You'd probably stop what you're doing, turn your body towards them, and give them your full attention, right? Do the same thing in conversations. When someone is talking, turn your body towards them, make eye contact, and really listen. Put away your phone, forget about what's happening around you, and be present in the moment. This simple shift in body language speaks volumes. It says, "I'm interested in what you have to say. You're important to me." And who doesn't love to feel important? Let's be honest, remembering names can be tough. We've all been there, standing in a room full of new faces, trying to recall the name of the person we just met moments ago. It's a common struggle, but it's one that can be overcome with a few simple techniques. But using someone's name is like magic. It creates an instant connection and makes the other person feel valued and recognized. It's a small gesture that can have a big impact on your interactions. It shows you're paying attention, that you care, and that you see them as an individual. This simple act can transform a casual conversation into a meaningful exchange. Lowndes calls this technique the name game, and it's easier than you think. It's all about making a conscious effort to remember and use names in your conversations. When you meet someone new, repeat their name back to them. This not only helps you remember it, but also reinforces it in your mind. For example, "It's nice to meet you, David." This simple repetition can make a big difference. Then try to use their name naturally throughout the conversation. This practice helps to solidify the name in your memory and makes the other person feel acknowledged. But here's the real trick. Associate their name with something memorable. This could be a physical characteristic, a piece of clothing, or even a shared interest. Maybe David looks like your Uncle David, or perhaps he has a distinctive feature that stands out to you. Or maybe he's wearing a cool hat that reminds you of a drummer you once knew. These little associations can be incredibly powerful. Whatever it is, that little association will help cement their name in your mind. It's a mental shortcut that makes remembering names much easier. The next time you see David, you'll be able to say, "Hey David, how's that drumming career going?" This shows that you remember them and care about their interests. Okay, maybe not the drumming part, but you get the idea. The key is to make a connection that helps you remember their name and makes them feel special. Section 5. Small changes, big results. See? These tips are simple, right? They might even seem a little silly at first, but trust me, they work. The beauty of these techniques is that they're not about being fake or manipulative. They're about being present, showing genuine interest, and making people feel valued. And who wouldn't want to be around someone who makes them feel that way? It's like adding a little sparkle to your interactions. You're still you, just a more approachable, engaging, and confident version of yourself. And the best part? These skills can be learned and practiced by anyone. Section 6. The power of practice. Honing your conversational skills. Just like learning to ride a bike or play an instrument, mastering conversations takes practice. Don't expect to become a social butterfly overnight. Be patient with yourself and embrace the journey. Start by incorporating one or two of these techniques into your daily interactions. Maybe try the flooding smile on the barista at your local coffee shop or the big baby pivot with a colleague at work. As you become more comfortable, challenge yourself to try these techniques in new and different social situations. Remember, every conversation is an opportunity to learn and grow. Section 7. Confidence is key. Believing in yourself and your abilities. Confidence is a crucial ingredient in successful conversations. When you believe in yourself and your ability to connect with others, it shows. People are naturally drawn to confidence, and it can make you a more engaging and charismatic communicator. But what if you're not feeling confident? Fake it till you make it. Stand tall, make eye contact, and speak clearly and audibly. Even if you're feeling nervous inside, projecting confidence on the outside can actually help to calm your nerves and make you feel more at ease. Remember, everyone feels nervous or insecure sometimes. The key is to not let those feelings hold you back. Embrace the challenge, step outside your comfort zone, and believe in your ability to shine. Building connections. The importance of authentic communication. While techniques like the flooding smile and the name game can be incredibly helpful, it's important to remember that genuine connection stems from authenticity. People can spot a fake a mile away, so it's essential to be yourself and let your true personality shine through. Share your passions, listen attentively to others, and don't be afraid to be vulnerable. Authenticity is about showing your true self, quirks and all. It's about connecting with others on a deeper level and building meaningful relationships based on trust and mutual respect. Remember, people are drawn to authenticity. When you're true to yourself, you radiate a warmth and magnetism that can't be faked. So embrace your unique qualities and let them shine through in your conversations. Overcoming social anxiety. Tips for stepping out of your comfort zone. Social anxiety is more common than you might think. If you struggle with social anxiety, know that you're not alone. There are steps you can take to manage your anxiety and feel more comfortable in social situations. One helpful tip is to start small. Instead of trying to conquer your fear of large gatherings overnight, begin by practicing your conversational skills in low-pressure environments. Strike up a conversation with a cashier, ask a neighbor how their day is going, or offer a compliment to a stranger. Another helpful strategy is to reframe your thinking. Instead of focusing on your anxiety, try to shift your attention to the present moment and the person you're interacting with. Engage with curiosity, ask open-ended questions, and actively listen to their responses. The gift of gab. How mastering conversations can enrich your life. Mastering conversations is more than just knowing what to say. It's about building connections, fostering relationships, and enriching your life in countless ways. When you feel confident and comfortable in social situations, you open yourself up to a world of opportunities. You might make a new friend, land your dream job, or simply brighten someone's day with a kind word. Conversations have the power to inspire, motivate, and transform. They can bridge divides, spark creativity, and create a sense of belonging. So embrace the gift of gab. Nurture your conversational skills, step outside your comfort zone, and watch as your world expands in beautiful and unexpected ways. Your turn to shine. Embrace the art of conversation. Now that you've learned some valuable tips from Leil Lowndes' How to Talk to Anyone, it's your turn to put them into practice. Remember, conversation is an art form, and like any art form, it takes practice, patience, and a willingness to experiment. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Embrace every interaction as an opportunity to learn and grow. With time and effort, you'll find yourself navigating social situations with grace, confidence, and a genuine joy for connecting with others. So, go out there, flash your best flooding smile, master the big baby pivot, and remember those names. The world is full of fascinating people waiting to meet you. All you have to do is start talking.